So we have 2 more days of the month, and I have 80s in the forecast tomorrow and the last day, so Saturday, which would break the record for most 80-degree days. If you look, I was walking into work today. It was very nice outside. Hard to come in. 81.
Hard to come in.
It was 81. It felt really great. We have light winds out of the northeast at 10. Pollen count, mountain cedar is high, elm is moderate, and ash is, you all right over there? Ash is moderate, fungus is low. I don't know if you could hear that on the mic or not. But tomorrow is 80. Saturday, 85. So let's say we hit 79 tomorrow and the weather guy was off by a degree. Well, then we wouldn't beat the 80-degree record for most in the winter. But Saturday looks like a slam dunk. 85 degrees Saturday afternoon with south winds 10 to 20. Sunday, we turn partly sunny with a high of 82. That's the first day of March. So we're dry through the weekend and we're dry to start next week, but a pattern change is on the way. We will get some much needed rain next week and into the following weekend as rain chances are on the rise. Tonight, a comfortably cool night. I say comfortably cool because the normal low is 43. We'll be in the low 50s for most locations, upper 40s elsewhere. Highs tomorrow, there's the 80 in Dallas, 78 Waxahachie, Granbury to 80, middle and upper 70s. Kind of along the 380 corridor north to the Red River will be in the middle 70s. 85 Saturday, that's a very warm day. That's 21 degrees warmer than normal. 82 on Sunday. See the dip? This is when the pattern begins to change. Monday and Tuesday, which is election day, will be in the low to mid 70s. And then we start to bring in chances for rain after election day. Big area of high pressure that's kept us warm. It has kept us dry, shifts off to the east. That will allow for Pacific moisture to start increasing across the state, and a couple of disturbances will bring us several rain chances next week. But we'll stay dry and warm through the weekend and the early part of next week. But then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we bring in scattered shower and thunderstorm chances into the forecast. Now, timing these out will be extremely tricky, because you're going to have these little disturbances that roll through before the main disturbance rolls through on Friday. That'll bring the decent chance for rain, especially Friday night. But the likelihood of being above normal with precip in the March 4th through 8th time frame is pretty high here across North Texas, East Texas, and then northeast into Arkansas, Missouri, and then parts of the Ohio Valley. We need the rain. If you look at, this is the latest drought monitor that just came out today. If you look at it, the state of Texas not doing great. We have pretty widespread drought across the entire state. The worst of the drought is in South Texas and parts of Central Texas. Here in North Texas, widespread moderate drought, even some higher drought to the northeast of severe and extreme. So we will take the rain chances. We need it. 52 tonight, mostly clear skies, dry and cool. Tomorrow it's 80. We'll have mostly sunny skies again. A very warm day for this time of the year. 14-day forecast. Notice how we're dry on election day, but I think overnight Tuesday into Wednesday we'll bring in our first chance for rain. And then we keep the chances for rain pretty consistently through next weekend. If I had to say, a lot of folks are going to ask, well, do we have severe weather in the forecast? We are in March, so that's always on the table. I would say the better chance to see a couple of strong or severe thunderstorms would be Friday, March 6th. That's the day I'll be eyeballing for the chance for some strong or severe thunderstorms, highs in the upper 70s, and we stay very warm as we get into that first and second week of March.